mentioned in this assembly, and he is not a member of this assembly. And the one member here who mentioned is Ishmael Matundura.
Proceed.
And he has been working with this. Mr. Speaker, there are honorable members who wants to take us for granted. Mere MPs that they want to impeach governor. We dare you.
No.
Bring it on.
No.
We will deal with you.
Proceed.
Mr. Speaker, no. I proceed by saying.
Proceed. And finish. I am giving you your time. Finish.
Mr. Speaker, we've been also having.
Sorry, which is standing order, Buhari? Lead it. Lead the standing order. Yes, read the standing order.
Mr. Speaker, I'll use standing order number 1, which allows anyone to contribute as a member, Mr. Speaker. On my teachings on the standing order.
Order. Honorable Fanis, I will send you out. Order. Honorable Buhari, I am not here joking. No, I don't want you to read. I am not here joking. So, honorable members, leader of majority, proceed.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, honorable members should know the county importance issues and the pending issues, Mr. Speaker, and the bedroom issues in this assembly. Mr. Speaker, Honorable Buhari here, she's having a ball.
Proceed.
She has not talked of somebody who is carried in the family yesterday.
Honorable Rita.
She has not prayed about somebody who is carried.
Honorable Moracha.
We're not having issues here.
Order.
Having issues out of order.
Leader, I will test you out. Order. Damaris, Honorable Damaris, I am sending